All right, we're live. Let me get my inhaler real quick. Oh, yeah, that's the good stuff, brother. Hell yeah. All right, let's put that back. I don't need it so close to my face. Okay. Throw that over there. Okay. So today, I'm gonna deal with some things that I need to do before I really kind of dive into anything. And this is kind of a video I should have made a long time ago. In my opinion, I think it will help the world. Anyways, um, as you can see, my entire playlist can be broken down into one pre-master here. And obviously, this pre-master goes into a master. The reason why I do this is because there's certain tweaks that you want to have before it goes into the master. Mainly because you want to have minimal amount of stuff right here. And there's certain things that you can have in a pre-master, like your drums and everything else separated, which is, in my opinion, the secret sauce. That's just how I make music. I make the drums completely separate. So from the main, I have a pre, and then inside that will be sub and bass, which is together, synths, and FX. And that's pretty much it. That is the entire template right there. I can go a little bit deeper. Let's go into my sub and bass categories. My bass is going to be, it's usually only 3 MIDI. I have one preset here, which let's go ahead and put Serum 2 on there. And one of the things that I do are creating a respace all right, my apologies. I need to go get water. But this should be, oh, yeah, that's right. 0 isn't the 0 fault anymore. Audio processing disabled. We're not even doing anything, bro. Width is bugged. Width is bugged on Serum 2. I just want everyone to know that. I've already messed up a couple patches. Dang it. Yeah. What a shame. Am I dumb? So dumb. I'm dumb! I have this stupid bar in my way, and I didn't see those off. I was like, yeah. I was like, yeah, the width is bugged. Sometimes it breaks my stuff. No, I just turned it off for some reason. All right, let's jump into things. Oh, goodness. I like it just about halfway, a little bit over. Can we do key tracking on this? No. Oh no, I want it on note. Note number. headphones. My headphones. All right. Also, voice meter, it makes things quieter in my headphones. It's kind of a weird thing. I almost wonder if it sounds normal in on the other end as it's being broadcasted. But anyways, yeah, this is kind of like a normal bass that I do for my defaults, just a regular little. Yeah, boy. Let's put it back at 130 actually as my default. I don't know why I did 126, but it was at one point. So that's Serum 2, that's Serum 2. Cool. Got Serum 2 here. And for as far as sub bass, it's two things. I got a kick and I got a sub. It's just a regular decap 808. I changed this, and to be quite honest, I'm gonna be as transparent as possible. I've used this kick way too much to be continuing to put this in my song. It's just a default. It's a boilerplate, dude. I don't want to leave it empty because it, just in case it's like somehow I forget what this is or I don't know how to read. At least it looks like an 808. I don't know. It's just something to put there. Yes. The sub on this is going to be way better. Hey there, buddy. No. I don't want that as let's turn off the random. Here, let's just look at it with an OSC. Melda. I need to put the color thing on here. Wait, it already was on there. All right. Please fix Ableton. This is a weird bug. Why is this one thing its own little drag and drop thing? It's weird. See? Do you see that? Am I tripping? Why is that like that? If you go out too far, you're like kind of screwed. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Enough pointing out little things. Ooh. No. No. Oop, wrong one. gives it 2. You don't want to, from what I remember. The AM is a little different in Serum 2, I think. Hold on. Am I tripping? Serum. Did I unmark Serum because I was just fed up with it? I did. I'm so petty. What the hell? I unmarked Serum. Why did I do that? Okay, let's turn these both back on and... Is that the same shape? No. It's different. It's flipped. That's close enough. I wonder, can I use the analog send? Yeah, let's do that to make this more accurate. So now it sounds pretty much the same signal. Virtually the same signal. Move that to the side. It does! I need to check what my dogs are doing. Okay. My bad. Anyways, it does sound different. I wasn't tripping. Okay. Chill. No worries. I mean, that kind of just gives you more reason to use Serum 2. It sounds way better. Why is it not showing anything? I need more water. I don't want to get up. Anyways. My bad. I keep coughing. It's my fault, brother. Anyways, I knew that this sounded different. I didn't realize it would at first, but now we know. It keeps showing up as that. Oh, that's so weird. Am I tripping? What is going on right now? What? Oh, you know what? I wonder if it's this. Not min, max. Okay, there we go. Now the oscilloscope is working a little bit better. It's just Melda, dude. I think it's because it's just broken. Do I need to update this bad boy? Oop, that's embarrassing. Sorry. I'm gonna put this over here real fast. Oh wait, I have Melda over here on the side. Nah, I'm good, dude. I'll update it later. Honestly, these standalone plugins should be made to withstand, in my opinion, man. I wish more were open source so I can like look at it. I don't think Melda is open source. Is it? Do they have a GitHub? No, they don't. They have a GUI engine. And they got plugins are normally. This is interesting. There's a plugin kernel technology in Melda. Plugins are normally separate units unable to communicate with each other. Melda production plugin kernel technologies (MPK) connects all of the plugins in one huge brain, allowing them to do much more than that. And the more Melda production plugins you use, the bigger the improvement. Resource, plugin, host. Okay. Yeah, that would make sense. They're different. And then it goes in. So, okay. There's something. So basically, this is saying it like it just like stores it. Is this? Wait. I thought no. Okay, let's keep reading. Smart resource sharing. Smart resource sharing lets the plugins optimize the amount of memory and CPU power needed for your computer. We measured almost 50% improvement in both areas on several practical projects. Practical, huh? Optimized for the newest processors. Modern processors are very smart. They can anticipate what is going on to happen. Perform multiple calculations in parallel, even in a single core, but the software needs to let them use all these powerful features. Melda plugin kernel contains specific optimizations for modern processors such as AVX2 capable for the i7, i9, and Xenon, or Xeon, whatever. Xeon. I don't know. Processors also love the resource sharing, and things are likely to get even better in the future with increasing size of memory cache. And we used the most advanced tools and algorithms money can buy to ensure our software will only be superb sounding and most versatile on the market, but also extremely fast. Okay. Uses for graphics. So basically, let's see here. So yeah, it's caching a memory size that's being presented to other plugins. And apparently it doesn't ruin the sound. So C++ probably, I'm guessing, is probably the only thing that fast. Uses GPU for graphics, so your CPU can focus on audio. That's actually really big. That's very, very big. You don't want to use CPU for graphics on audio. You want to keep from okay, I'm learning just a little bit, but you want to keep it pretty organized. Most plugins end up being pretty robust. The GPU processor unit, the graphics processor unit, is often overlooked by audio software and hardware designers. Although the GPU itself can rarely be used for actual audio calculations due to its real-time nature and need for minimum latency. Visualizations is a huge part of professional audio software. Some things are just easier to spot by sight. That's why Melda Productions plugins include GPU accelerator user interfaces, which let your GPU do the graphics work while the CPU can spend its valued time, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So it doesn't really tell me what this does, but that is interesting. What was I doing? Oh, we'll read that later. I totally got sidetracked. Okay. Sub bass, we're good. That's fine. I don't care. And then since I already moved these all to Serum 2 beforehand, because honestly, this is a pain in my ass. I hate doing it. For effects, I always have one cashmere white noise. Look at that exhaust. Wait. Look at that exhaust right there. That's good. Thank you, Cashmere. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I have my basic drums here. This is a kick that I made. Please don't make fun of it. I mean that. Please tell me my kick sounds good. I really want you to tell me my kick sounds good. Please. This one sounds like shit, though. Actually, this is from a patch that I made. Let me pull that up. This is just a basic kick. Hold on. My brain is working. What was that plugin called? Yeah, I can barely see anything. I got this big old bar in my face. I need to like move my actual. If I just no, I'm not gonna do that. Where is the thingy? Dude, I am having a brain fart. There we go. Phase plant. We got my kick 2 here. And it's a little neat program. Got some beef. And the hit right here. And all you have to really do by hand really is kind of just like adjust this. But other than that, it's fine. So I want to do like a D. Yeah. Snare is just a snare. I think it's a cashmere snare. Oh wow. Look at that. I was right. Because it's just an easy snare to use. It's not like a game changer or anything. It's just it's just there. Got a Metro clap to layer it. Instrument racks are dope. Love that. Why download Why download sample packs when you could just make it yourself, dog? Let's go. No, I'm not trying to be like that. I'm just kidding. But you know what I didn't do? I didn't look for drums off stream because that is the best part. Why would I? No, we're gonna savor this moment together. Okay, you ready? Beefer. What? That? I low-key love this right here. Hold on. Yes, I'm actually feeling this. I'm feeling this kick, dude. Oh, perfect. Right on the money, dude. Oops. No, I wanted that here. And then just do like a really lame clap. All right, be right back. All right. I had to grab water, man. My throat was killing me. Is that the one? Is that the weak clap? Let's just stop in the right spot. I'm closing my eyes, dude. No, we don't. We don't want vengeance samples. Ass. Okay. I have a lot of vengeance samples. I like that. Yeah. Find our friend Tom. Oh, there we go. What else? What else? Oh, I'm in the hip hop samples. Damn. I don't care anymore. What am I doing with my life? I don't know. Yeah, shaker. Let's do a shaker. There we go. Banger already, bro. All right, let's call this banger, bro. Which one was that clap? And this is honestly one of the things I like doing the most is just making my own sub and then bring it around town. I'm like SpongeBob, but not on crack. Nope. I wish I had my keyboard, but I haven't set it up yet. So I'm doomed to just type it in. I wonder. I don't really mess with anything else other than. Let's do E major. Bloop. Nope. 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 Oh. Oopie. No. Start on B here. Oh, I smacked my mic. I'm sorry. Not blue. I want to put glue. Let's see. Oh! Hmm. What else do I want to do? I really want to excite those. All right, 59 minutes on the dot. I'm going to give this a listen. Pretty excited about this. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah. Sheesh. That was sick. Ah, pulled the cord. My bad. My bad, G. My bad. Oh, man, that was fun. Just turned my brain off. Didn't save the template, but that's okay. I'll do it here in a moment. I'm super excited how that turned out. Like really excited. Okay. I guess we can check Meld is the only thing. Interesting. I suppose I'd have to see it to believe it, partner. I guess I just don't see it and I don't believe it. Creating and using plugins with semantic kernel.
Hey everyone, my name is Will Valida. I'm a software engineer and cloud architect. And in this video, we're going to talk about creating and using plugins with the Semantic Kernel SDK. Now, when we use the Semantic Kernel SDK, we use plugins that act as the building blocks for our AI applications. Plugins essentially define the tasks that the kernel should complete, and the kernel interfaces with large language models and run the plugins that we define.
Okay.
Plugins can include native code and natural language prompts, allowing us to use generative AI in our applications. Plugins give us the flexibility of defining desired behavior in our application, and we can create custom prompt plugins to fine-tune our applications precisely as we need to. In this video, we'll talk about how we can create our own semantic kernel SDK plugins to accomplish different custom tasks. We'll also look at how we can use the built-in plugins from the semantic kernel SDK to create our applications. Now, plugins are fundamental to the semantic kernel SDK, as they define the tasks for the kernel to perform since they interface with the large language models. Plugins can be just native code and prompts that are invoked to the large language model that we're using. The great thing about the Semantic Kernel SDK is that it offers built-in plugins for common tasks that are ready to use. Plugins are essentially classes that defines a task that the kernel should perform. It could be made from a semantic prompt or native function code. To use a plugin, we can add it to the kernel and call it by using the invoke async function. The kernel will then run the plugin that interfaces with the large language model and return the result. Some examples of available built-in plugins include a math plugin, a plugin to perform mathematical operations, text plugin, a plugin to perform text manipulation, and time plugin, a plugin to get time and date information. The Semantic Kernel SDK also supports
Okay. I had to go back and see if my track was in phase, and it is. But yeah. So I was kind of looking at this, and it doesn't look like semantic kernel and uh plugin kernel are the same thing. So I don't know why I was looking at that video. Um. Let's see if Gemini knows. Can you find any information based off this prompt here? How to collect end user feedback. We all want to offer products or services that users love, but that's always easier said than done. World user feedback, which can be helpful. KVR audio. Gearspace. I've never heard of Gearspace. And there's a forum. Oh, there is a forum. And you can buy stuff from here. Neat. Oh, cool. Meld, wait, what is it called? Nothing, dude. KVR audio, what's that? I thought I had an ad blocker. What in the world? Is this from the website? The audio community's in shambles. Terrible form. All right. Oh, neat. Yeah, you can mess with the GUI. That's pretty cool. Melda. But yeah, Melda's pretty easy to download from. I'm not going to do it here, but if you have a Windows or Mac, go ahead and download this. Linux, I think you might have to use Wine. Installer changes. Okay, cool. And it's pretty simple. They have a walkthrough right here.
Welcome to this walkthrough of
Oh my gosh, my ears,
that
dude.
allows users to effortlessly install, activate,
Let me turn down my
manage
headphones,
plugins and
bro.
subscriptions. It is available for both Mac and PC. To get started, install and run.
So yeah, they have a video here that help you out. You could do offline installation. What's another good one? Kilohertz. Make sure you grab this. Download and install this. Yeah, boy. Good stuff in here. I haven't updated my things in a long time. But Kilohertz has a bunch of free effects. Comb filter to a shaper, which, oh yeah, shaper, that's cool. A reverser. I hardly use a lot of this stuff, but most of it is my bread and butter. I don't know what I would do without these plugins. They're amazing. Tape stop. The tape stop comes in in clutch. Actually, yo. See? Pre-master, baby. Hell yeah. Just added a tape stop. But make sure you grab this right here, brother. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I wanted to look up phase distortion. Look up phase distortion. Phase distortion articles. Yeah, dog. Phase distortion synthesis. Apple support. Let's look up the wiki. Phase distortion synthesis is a synthesis method introduced in '84 by Casino. And outline, it is similar to phase modulation synthesis as championed by Yamaha Corporation. Yamaha, under the name of frequency modulation. In the sense that both methods dramatically change the harmonic content of a carrier waveform by influence of another waveform modulator in the time domain. However, the application and results of the two methods are quite distinct. Okay. So generating harmonic content, Casino's implementation of PD used oscillators generated by modulator and carrier waveforms synchronized to each other per cycle. The modulators were various angular waves that could distort the carrier sign into shapes to a degree derived from DCW envelope, whatever that means. In doing so, many harmonics were created in the output. As modulators were rich in harmonic content, they create spectra more linear, i.e. more similar to traditional subtractive spectra than Yamaha's phase modulation PM/FM synthesis. PM does not require oscillator sync, but was for a long time limited to sine waves, which meant output spectra bore the nonlinear hallmark of Bessel's functions. PD is a different type of PM, whose very different modulators caused significant difference in operation in sound between PD and PM. Thus, the two aren't directly equivalent. The transforms are all assembled from piecewise linear functions under binary logic control and shows characteristic sharpness. And for some transforms, even sudden jumps. Okay. As they move from minimum to maximum, where the frequency counters accumulate wraps under the starts over. Accumulator wraps around and starts over. The sharpness are smoothed by the roundness of the modulated sine wave and not too noticeable in the resulting sines. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Circuit division, subtractor circuit. Can I turn this around? Dun 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 dun. Okay. Back to beats, bro. All right. I'm gonna resave this as oops. Let me go through my stuff by myself. Bum 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 bum. Where Ableton user library templates. Dubstep. This is new dubstep. I'm gonna do something here in just a second. Templates. Yeah, save. Make sure it's saved. Okay. Default set. Let's see here. If I do this. There you go. Dubstep 1. Let's name this bad boy RB Dubstep. Dub seeping. Dub sleep. Dub sleep. Dub nap. Dub nap. Okay. Now I've got my preset saved. Yay. Oh, that's annoying. But it's whatever. Hell yeah, brother. But yeah, I'm at 125. Oh my gosh, I went over. I don't have enough energy to go any further, so I'm gonna tune off for the day, and you have a wonderful rest of your time of the night or week or month or whatever you're having. But yeah, take care. Bye.